Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you about the plant fibers. Now, in the plant fiber, the first is the cotton. Now, cotton is obtained from the cotton plant and it is a shrub. It grows well into the black soil and it requires the warm climate condition and the moderate rainfall. It means for the cotton cultivation, the black soil is good and the climatic condition should be warm and the rainfall should be moderate, not too much and not too less. And cotton is obtained from the fruit and the fruit of the cotton is called cotton ball. The name of the fruit is cotton ball. Now see the picture. This is the cotton fruit of the cotton, which is called cotton ball. You can see these the white structure. This is the cotton fiber. These are the cotton fibers. Okay, then see this is the cultivation of the cultivation or the crop of the cotton. Is it clear to you? The fibers are then used to create the yarn using the following steps. Now the steps are, the first step is picking. Picking means to pick the cotton ball from the plant. Then second is ginning. Second step is called ginning. Ginning is a separation of the cotton fibers from the seed. Actually the cotton fiber is the seed coat. In the cotton cotton ball, the seeds have the seed coat. Seed coat is fibrous. The seed coat of the seeds, black color seeds are there, and the structure which is coming out, that is the fibrous cotton. It means we can say cotton is the seed coat of the cotton seed. Okay, now I told you first is picking, second is ginning, and the third is ginning is the separation of seeds from the fiber, or we can say separation of fiber from the seeds. Then this can be done with the help of the hands only, or by the using machine, manually as well as by the machines also. And the machine which are used for the separation of fibers from the seed, that is called the cotton gins. Okay, now I can show you the process also. Now see the process. This is the, you can see this process is called ginning. The seeds and fibers are separated. This is also the process of separating of seeds from fiber from seeds. Okay, then next is spinning. Spinning is the process in which fibers are twisted together to form the yarn. For that spinning machines are used. Is it okay? Now see, once again we can revise it. The first step is picking. Picking is to pick the cotton ball from the plant. Second is ginning, separation of the cotton fiber from the seeds. And third is spinning, twisting together the yarns using the spinning machines. Let us make a cotton yarn. Take some cotton wool and hold some of it in one hand. Now pinch some cotton between the thumb and the forefinger of the other hand. Yes, now gently pull it out and spin it. Yes, this process is called spinning also. By repeating the process, the fiber together may form a yarn. Now see this, you can see the yarn, by the process of the spinning, the yarn is formed. Now see the yarn made by the cotton fiber.